Welcome to Kids Wonderland Zone. Today, we're going to learn about some amazing little creatures. Hummingbirds. Hummingbirds are tiny birds known for their incredible flying abilities. Did you know they can hover in mid-air by flapping their wings really fast, up to 80 times per second? Hummingbirds are often seen as symbols of joy, love, and positivity in many spiritual beliefs. They are known for their agility, resilience, and their ability to hover, which can be interpreted as a reminder to stay present and adapt to life's challenges with grace. One of the most important things hummingbirds do is drink nectar from flowers. They have long, slender beaks and special tongues that help them reach deep into flowers to get the sweet nectar. As they drink nectar, hummingbirds also play a crucial role in pollination. Pollination helps plants reproduce and produce fruits and seeds. Without pollinators like hummingbirds, many of the plants we rely on wouldn't be able to grow. Hummingbirds are small but mighty when it comes to taking care of their families. They build tiny, cup-shaped nests to lay their eggs in. These nests are often made from materials like plant fibers and spider silk. The mother hummingbird takes great care of her chicks, feeding them until they are strong enough to fly on their own. So next time you see a hummingbird, remember how important they are to our environment. These tiny birds help our gardens grow, keep our ecosystems healthy, and add a splash of color to our world. Thanks for watching Kids Wonderland Zone. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing nature stories. See you next time!